Hello everyone, I'm Avindya Kalpani and I'm currently following Advanced Certificate in Human Resource Management at CIPM. So recently we had this seminar called Navigating into the World of Work organized by CIPM. So through that session we got a profound insight into the world of work and how can we advance towards our professional goals. So this has been a platform for both online and physical students to get together and learn about what awaits us beyond this learning platform. So above all, we got to learn about these internship programs, and by joining them, how can we build our career from the brick. So there are many internship programs offered by CIPM itself that CIPM students have easy access to. So this seminar has been an interactive session that equipped us with soft skills and hard skills that will be essential for us when we transit to the professional world. So as HR students, we got to learn about these future careers and these emerging trends in HR. So I recommend you to join these upcoming events organized by CIPM and don't miss these wonderful opportunities.